Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Integra Poly Work Stool with casters and glides. Features: one of our best-selling poly work stools with unbeatable value. Durable poly work stool, ideal for industrial applications, including workshops, factories, food industry and healthcare. Fitted with a cushioned and easy-to-clean polyurethane seat and a sturdy black nylon 5-star base, and includes both hooded casters and glides, giving you extra choice at no extra cost. The Integra Poly Work Stool is supplied with a height-adjustable foot ring to rest the legs, as well as a gas seat height adjustment. The stool comes supplied with a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift up to 110 kg weight capacity, 17.3 stone, and comes standard with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8-hour per day use. A great product at a great price, available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.